Hey guys, if your Windows 11 update is stuck with the error 0x800f0983, don't worry, it's not your PC, it's just a corrupted update cache. But don't worry, here's the fix. This error has been showing up a lot since the August 2026 patch Tuesday. It usually means that the software distribution folder, which is where Windows temporarily stores update files, it has either become corrupted or has broken files in it, which is why the install keeps failing. So if this is happening to you, what you'll want to do is come down and run command line as an administrator. And there's a few services we're going to want to stop first. But don't worry, I'll put these in the description below if you need them. First, we'll start with netstop WUAUSERV. And then the next one is netstop CRYPTSVC. Then net stop bits, and lastly net stop MSISERVER. Alright, and once we got all of those services stopped, what we'll do is come down to the File Explorer, go to our C drive, Windows, and we'll scroll down to Software Distribution. And in this folder, what we'll want to do is right-click and rename it. And we'll just rename it to .old, which kind of just makes a little backup of it. And then we'll also want to do the same thing for another folder. So what we'll do is, since we're already in the Windows, we'll go to System32, and then go down to catroot2, and we'll want to do the same thing with that one, to just change it to .old. And then once we got that done, we'll just go back into our command prompt, and since we have those services stopped, what we can do is just click the up arrow to get the commands again, and we'll just replace stop with start. And then once you got all of those restarted, all you gotta do is reboot your computer and then try your updates again, and that should get them going. But if that did get your updates moving, please hit subscribe. I try to post as soon as I can when I find some updates, and I always like testing them first before I post. But if you do enjoy this kind of content, feel free to subscribe and like. It really helps out the channel a lot. So thanks. Have a great rest of your day, guys.